What's going on, everybody? Getting the gear on. It's February 15th. It is the last day for me to get a Bobcat. I've been working. I've been busy. I lost the tag. Found the tag. Couldn't find my call. Found my calls. Got my batteries in them. It's the last day. Now the blind is. We're gonna sit in the blind. We got some bad weather coming. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to be sitting out in it. So the inside of the blind is black. I've done the best I can to black myself out. I got a black hat, I got black gloves. I turned my sweatshirt inside out so that way they couldn't see the red. I'm gonna spray myself down. I got an electronic call with a decoy on top of it. And yeah, no, we got the crossbow. Yeah, everything's charged, ready to go. I got the tripod, the camera, self-filming. I always self-film. I'm always by myself. So, yeah. But we're going to try and stay warm. We got our little battery-operated hand warmer. So we're going to spray ourselves down. It's early afternoon. I don't even think it's 1 o'clock yet. But I've watched some videos. I've never done a bobcat hunt. I've done some predator hunts. Never could get a coyote in close enough to shoot with the bow. But I was always like out. Like just out sitting on the ground or something. So I'm going to try the blind, like I said. Weather's supposed to get bad this afternoon. Videos say let your call run for an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours. So we're going to try that. We've got nothing better to do this afternoon anyway. So hang out and let's see what Daniel can do. Maybe we'll get a bobcat. Maybe we'll even call in a coyote. I'll be happy with that. I'll shoot a coyote or two. It's all for the fawns and the turkeys. Got to remember. Got to work these grounds. If you want your turkeys and you want your deer, you got to predator hunt. It might be sad, but you know what I'm saying? You got to do it. Because I want my turkeys, I want my deer. And the bobcats are really becoming overpopulated here. There's coyote tracks everywhere. And yeah, I'm going to go sit in the blind where 3 times this fall when they were deer hunting, they seen bobcats. So yeah, wish me luck. Let's see what happens. So today we're going to be using the Ecotech, however you want to pronounce it, predator call. First time out. We've had it for about 4 years now. Never used it. We're going to today. We're going to be using the old crossbow today. Today we got the PSE Coalition Frontier. This is what I shot my buck with. Tell you what, hard hitting. Love this bow. Got no complaints. And we'll be using the pile drivers, Carbon Express. We got the Spitfire tips. I like the mechanical broadheads. Oh, no, we're gonna try and get ourselves a bobcat. Maybe a coyote. It's the first time. I've been trying for 5 years to get a tag. We finally got one. It's the last day too. It's not that I procrastinated it, it's just, you know, we've been busy. Yeah, we lost the tag, we found the tag. Yeah, it's just been a winter. That's all I got. It's been a winter, you know. So, but no, let's go see what we can do. Come on, let's go do this. You coming? Okay, let's do this. Let's do it. All right, let's go. Okay, we made it to the blind. So we need to loose the crossbow on the door. Alright. Alright, we're going to set some stuff down here. Figure out a plan. And, yeah. I'll get right back with you. Let's make this happen. Well, collar and decoy is in place. Guessing we're about 20 yards from the blind, 20, 25. I'll range it when I get back to the blind. And nope, I got the remote, everything's turned on. Got her pointing that way. Let's, yeah, make it up the hill here without falling. Like I said, my first bobcat hunt ever. I've been trying for a tag for 5 years. Never gotten one. Got one this year, and unfortunately we've just been so busy. And then we moved a bunch of paperwork around and it got shuffled up and lost in there. And I found it last night. Got the collar all battery up, all hooked up and everything. And yeah, I ain't even fired. I ain't even in the blinds yet. My heart's racing. I'm so excited. Man, I'm so excited. My heart's pounding. All right, we're gonna get this blind opened up and get our crossbow ready, get our seat set up, and we'll check back in here with you. Yeah. Ain't got no critters in here, do we? Nope. All right. Okay, we're set up. Had a little moment, accidentally hit the remote, getting in the blind, getting stuff set up, so that was about a few seconds of chaos. But we got the camera set up. GoPro's ready to go. We're I think we're ready. I'm like I'm excited. I'm freaking out here. I'm like, whoo, whoo. All right. We're going to get the remote. Get our gloves so our hands are covered. We want to try and stay as black as we can. Inside the blind here is black. Well, except for this big spot behind me here. I should try and cover that up so they can't see me through the light. There's that. Okay, I think we're good. I'm gonna cover the old face up and we're gonna play around here. See if we can't call it a bobcat. I'm like so excited. So excited. But okay. Let's see what happens. Got it on B. Turn that up. That's on. Let's start with a squealing rabbit. That wasn't a squealing rabbit, was it? All right, we're live, boys and girls. changed it up a little bit. We changed the call from a jackrabbit to a baby bunny. Turn the volume down a little bit. I was thinking maybe it was too loud. I don't know. Like I said, this is my first bobcat hunt. It's my third predator hunt. And I've not seen anything on any hunt. So it could be I'm doing something wrong. So leave a comment. Let me know. Have you predator hunted before? Have you been successful? Did you go bobcat hunting? Did you see a bobcat? Was you successful? Did you get a harvest? Am I calling too loud? Not loud enough? Leave a comment and let me know. Because I want to learn. These are things that I want to learn and I want to do. So we're going to be quiet. Get back to calling. I think here in a minute I'm going to turn the volume up a little bit. And maybe progress it a little bit, and a little bit. And we'll see what happens. But I know the wind's picking up. So I don't know if that has something to do with it. But I know they were calling for snow. But it hasn't done anything. So, if you think I'm doing something wrong, and you see I'm doing something wrong, please leave a comment and tell me. Alright, back to quiet mode. Okay, in case I didn't mention, this predator call is brand new. I've had it 4 years. First time I've used it. I think I found the cottontail one. So we're going to let this call run for a little bit and see what happens. Thanks for sticking around. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button so you can catch more of these videos. We're going to keep trying. We're going to keep making videos. We do this for fun. I'm having fun. I'm just cold. I'd have more fun if I could see something. I don't even have to shoot anything. I just want to see something. Let's see what happens. Okay, we've been calling for over an hour. Would have thought I would have seen a coyote or something by now. Kind of disappointing, actually. I figured with snow on the ground, I figured with fresh snow on the ground, it being cold, I figured it'd been yeah. I thought I would have seen something by now. But we're going to keep calling. We're going to see what happens. We're not going to give up. It is starting to get pretty cold though. Nano's starting to get a little chilly. It's been an hour and a half. And I've seen a bobcat. The only problem is I can only see him through my scope. He is literally about 200 yards away, right up on that hillside. And he ain't even acting like he's wanting to come this direction. We've been calling for almost hour 45 minutes, 2 hours now. And he don't even act like he wants to come this direction. Cold, I'm tired. But no, we ain't seen, other than that, one up on the hillside right there. But where'd he go? Oh, now we lost him. Well, now we don't even see him. But no, he's every bit 200 yards away, up on the hillside. We're gonna sit a little bit longer, see if he can come in a little closer. I gotta have him at least 40 yards. 40 yards with a crossbow. I could go 50 max. Those looks like it's starting to snow. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna sit. Like I said, it's getting cold. Wind's picking up. And I really would have thought I'd seen a coyote or something by now. Just the one bobcat, and now I don't even see him. He is up the hill and gone. So oh, excuse me. As we've sat for almost 2 hours, as still as we possibly can. And yeah, nothing. So, like I said, we're freezing. We're cold. The wind's picking up. Hey, a squirrel. Too bad I don't ever see those when I'm squirrel hunting. Right? But nope, we're gonna stay a little bit longer. See if that one don't show back up. Show its face, maybe come a little closer. And if not, we're headed to the house where it's warm. So yeah, back home. It is freezing. I can't even feel my fingers. I know you can't see it. The camera doesn't show it. It started to mist. Wind switched directions. It got really cold. It is really cold. And no, we did not get us a bobcat. We didn't. Yeah, we seen the one. Yeah, 200 yards on the hillside. Nada. It went into the, assuming up into the cornfield, but yeah, no luck. It's cold. It's nasty out. I've got nothing for you. Again, we didn't have no luck when we went squirrel hunting this year either. The only luck we had was that deer. We got a good video with that. But all I can say is hey, we got out of the house. We tried. We tried. That's all you can do, is try. Get out of the house, try. But hey, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share with your friends, because we did try. We put forth the effort. We froze. We are freezing. We are cold. Cold. But yeah, no, we're gonna go in and make a fresh pot of coffee, warm up, put our gear away. So bobcat hunting's done for the year. We got the one. At least we got to go. I've never gone. At least I can say I went. So I got that. There'll be some predator videos. Maybe we'll get us a couple coyotes before turkey season gets here. I'm totally ready for that. I got season 1 tag. I got another tag coming sometime in the mail. I applied for 2. So hopefully we'll get them both. We got us a spot down by the dam this year. So hopefully we'll have better luck this year than we did last year turkey hunting. But nope. Like I said, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. And Dano's heading in where it's warm. And remember, Dano loves you. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Later. Holy crap, it's cold. Holy crap. Let's get this shit and head inside.